Thanks for tuning in to the Tom Auto channel. Today we've got a set of 03 Subaru single overhead cam heads on the bench today, in which we're going to strip and get them down to the machine shop. Why? Because not too long ago a timing belt was replaced, and I think possibly even the tensioner, but none of the rollers. Look what we have here. This one failed, causing our belt to, I think it skipped like 3 teeth. And when that happens, let's take a look. See the light coming through? That valve hit the piston and bent it. You got both cylinders. You see the light coming out of that one also. Spin it around. When they're bent, you'll get this kind of clearance on your rocker arms. So, right like that. Anyway, let's have a look at what we're talking about on these rollers. I'll see if I can get it to make the noise. I'll put it up to my mic. Now this one's rough, it's loose, you can feel the bearings aren't round anymore. Hope you can pick that up, but this is what you want to check out. That one's really... And these two rollers, they were ready to go. If this one didn't fail, one of these were going to fail. This also has a water pump that is driven by the water, or by the timing belt. For further information on that, go check out one of my previous videos on the Subaru setup and up close, so you have a visual of what this timing belt runs. We've got rollers, we've got the cam gears, we got a water pump. To go in there and just do a belt, this is what's going to happen. And this is an expensive job. So anyway, let's go take a look the marks that it left on the pistons. Ooh, it's kind of smoky out here. We got a fire burning south of us here, like a brush fire. Let's take a look at these pistons. As you can see, I'll point these marks out right there and right there. Both cylinders, when that belt broke, or not broke, but skipped a teeth, collided with the valves. So we're going to strip these heads, get them down to the machine shop, and we're going to get this vehicle back together. But the moral of the story, if you're doing a timing belt, be sure you check those rollers. In fact, we won't even do just a timing belt without doing the complete kit. That includes a water pump. I hope somebody found this information valuable, that you can avoid this costly lesson. Have a great day. Subscribe, like, and all comments are welcome. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.